Tesla's best-selling model is due for an update eventually, but it's unclear when it will arrive, and it may not get the $7,500 tax credit. The Model Y has proven to be a huge global success for Tesla since it became the world's best-selling vehicle in 2023. This feat is even more impressive because it dethroned two gas-powered Toyotas to take the lead after 2023 seeing sales soar by 64% compared to 2022. Tesla sells a lot of electric vehicles in the US, and it's been reported that the government spends about $200 million a month for subsidies that go up to $7,500 in tax credits for a Model Y. However, Trump and Elon Musk both are in favor of eliminating this credit next year, which means that Tesla's highly anticipated Model Y Juniper model might not get the $7,500 tax credit, meaning that it could be far more expensive than the current version of the Model Y. The Tesla rumor mill is churning once again, and this time it's all about the refreshed Model Y, or Juniper, as it's been codenamed. According to a leak posted to Weibo by a Chinese car blogger, Tesla will begin a limited trial run of the refreshed Model Y Juniper as early as this week. Rumors suggest that Tesla's not-so-tight-lipped test will start with around 12 units per day at its Gigafactory in Shanghai, China. A timetable isn't clear on how quickly that test run will turn into an official unveiling and replace the existing aged Model Y. But if previous rumors give us any indication of a timetable, we're likely just months out from first refreshed units being delivered to customers. China's National Business Daily reports that the first quarter of 2025 will see the unveiling of the revised Model Y. The report cites an anonymous Tesla supplier source, speculating that the updated Model Y will debut in two variants, with either 5 or 7 seats. This means the 7-seater Model Y, previously exclusive to the American market, where the option costs $2,000 or $1,000 in combination with other options, could be available in both China and Europe in Q4 2025. A new image of a covered Tesla Model Y spotted in the Bay Area. The upcoming Model Y will have a full-width red LED light bar at the rear, akin to Rivian EVs. A black Tesla script is embedded into the rear light bar, and it looks like the reversing lights are housed in a separate unit. Inside, the spy photos show an ambient lighting setup similar to the updated Model 3, as well as a dark gray dash instead of the currently available wood trim. We can also see a bunch of wires hanging on the floor, which is a sign that there's still some development work to do before the car hits the streets. Its success is a testament to the global rise in popularity of electric vehicles and crossovers and SUVs, which accounted for almost half of all vehicles sold last year. It was much more popular than Tesla's most affordable car, the Model 3, which sold less than half as many vehicles last year. It's a cash cow for Tesla, so the manufacturer's decision to reportedly postpone its mid-life cycle refresh seems strange. We've known about the Model Y Juniper update for months, and were initially expecting it to debut this year, but it's apparently not going to happen in 2024. Teslas get better over time, even without major upgrades, but all these changes are under the skin or related to over-the-air software updates. However, major redesigns are rare at Tesla because they require significant changes to production lines and supply chains. We anticipate similar changes to the Model 3 Highland in the Model Y Juniper. This includes a revised exterior with a revised front fascia featuring new headlight clusters, slimmer taillights, redesigned mirrors, new wheel designs, and new exterior colors. The interior should get the new steering wheel from the Model 3, which has more buttons than before because it no longer has stalks on the steering column. Let's examine everything we know about the Juniper update and whether it's worth waiting for it to come out if you want to buy a new Model Y. Design changes. We expect Tesla to give the revised Model Y a similar exterior makeover to the refreshed Model 3. This means it will get a completely new face, which will eliminate the upturned nose and replace it with slimmer, more modern-looking headlights. The rear lights and bumper will also be updated to match the Model 3 Highland. The Juniper update will probably give it a more aggressive bumper, similar to the new Model 3 performance. Tesla has revised the wheel designs with each model refresh, so we expect it to do the same with the Model Y Juniper. Wheel sizes will stay the same, but the wheels' look, and possibly the aero performance, will be improved. The new Model 3 also has redesigned rear-view mirrors, which aren't as tall and have slightly different shapes. Interior changes. Tesla has already given Model Ys manufactured in China the same interior mood lighting as the updated Model 3, but without changing anything else. It also ditched the wood trim on the dashboard in favor of the same textile material as in the sedan. In the Juniper update, these changes will be completed by a redesigned center console with 2 wireless phone chargers, a revised armrest, and storage spaces. The seats may also get a new design and probably gain cooling, just like in the Model 3. Overall, interior materials and assembly quality should also see improvements. The updated Model Y performance will get upgraded sports seats with more side support to keep you in place while cornering spiritedly. The biggest change will probably be the completely new steering wheel, which will be borrowed from the Highland. Just like in the Model 3, Tesla will eliminate the stalks behind the wheel and relocate more functions to the wheel to retain physical controls for turn signals, lights, wipers, and the voice assistant. More power, range, and comfort. Tesla constantly improves its model's performance, efficiency, and range, even without major updates. We don't know the specifics yet, but the Model Y Juniper update will most likely have better acceleration and improved range. The latter may also come courtesy of a lower drag coefficient brought about by changes to the car's frontal area and the new wheels. Should you wait for Juniper? We don't know when Tesla plans to release the Model Y Juniper update, but Elon Musk ruled out that it would be this year. Given that Model Y sales are still going strong and that Tesla is focused on its robotaxi project, which seems to have even taken priority over the launch of the much-talked-about $25,000 model, the wait for Juniper might be long. Therefore, if you want to buy a Model Y today, you probably shouldn't wait for the update because we don't know when it's coming. The vehicle is getting incremental improvements anyway. If you don't need the Model Y's roomier trunk and easier access, getting the cheaper revised Model 3 is probably a better option since it feels more modern. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates.